In China, technology reigns supreme. Automated vending machines are everywhere, and people do nearly everything with their phones. You can even test drive a car by just pressing a few buttons. Do you think it's crazy to offer your cars in a vending machine? Well, have a look.
Ford and Alibaba have partnered to create this giant car vending machine to attract customers. All customers need is a smartphone and a respectable credit score to take any of these cars on an extended test drive. Clients take a selfie for the Super Test Drive Center to recognize them. A deposit is also required, but once again, it's all at the tip of your fingers on your phone. Throughout the process, the client doesn't even interact with one single employee. It couldn't be easier. The vending machine automatically confirms your identity and gives you an awesome new Ford. Go ahead, take it for a spin.